The studio audience want to know the different thriller synopsis. Could you be kind enough to do this, starting with Kate?
No problem. Crime thriller is 1. The usual synopsis focuses on a criminal or policeman. They focus on the crime that's going to be committed or has already been committed.
Secondly, there is psychological thriller. The synopsis usually involves the main character battling with himself in the sense that they are in conflict with a mental illness.
Conspiracy thriller usually involves amateur journalists or reporters who usually by accident stumble on something. The more they look into it, the deeper they get into conspiracy.
Sci-fi thriller usually involves an extraterrestrial being coming to Earth and facing many obstacles. Then usually they're looking for a way back home.
Thank you for that. Ladies and gentlemen, that is it for today's show. Tune in next week when Lady Gaga is going to be here, discussing why she dresses so weird. See you. Good night.